In this video, I will discuss the procedure of administering medication. In administering medication, first you have to check the MAR sheet or the MAR book of a particular individual. By checking the MAR sheet, you have to check all the medications listed in the MAR sheet, and you have to double check it to the doctor's orders or prescription to check accuracy, and make sure that you ensure that the medication are correct, correct dose, correct route and time, and even the correct person who will take the medication. Always follow the 7 rights of medication administration. The first one is right of the person, confirming that the person's identity using names or pictures. Write medications. Check the medication label against the prescriptions. Write dose. Ensure the correct dose, and double check the correct dose and calculate. Write route. Administering medication by a prescribed method, for example, oral, topical, intravenous, inhalation, and write documentation. Make sure that you have to record accurate documentations and record it properly, and write technique. In preparing medications, you have to make sure that first thing is make sure that your hands are clean. You have to wash your hands and wear gloves if necessary, and read the medication label 3 times. First, when removing the label, when removing the medication in the storage, you have to read it carefully, and when preparing the dose, you have to read the label, and before administering to the individual, you have to read it again, just to make sure that you're giving the right medication to the person. Use sterile techniques if needed. If liquid medication, you have to make sure that you're giving the right amount or right dose to the individual. And if the medication required to cut or crush or split in the tablet, you have to make sure that it is allowable. And educate the individual by confirming their identity again, and explain why the medication is needed, the purpose of the medication, the name of the medication, and the possible side effect. Address any individual concern regarding the medication. In administering medication, you have to check the route. If it is oral, you have to make sure that the pill is swallowed properly, or if it is liquid, you have to make sure that it is swallowed properly. If it is topical, you have to apply the cream or the ointment in the correct area. And if it is inhalation, ensure that the proper use of inhaler or nebulizer. Monitor the patients. Observe for any reaction or side effect. Stay with the individual or the client for a few minutes if needed upon administering the medication, and document the administration. Record the medication name, the dose, the time, the route, and the response of the individual on that medication. You have to note or make sure to note any issues, like, for example, medication refusal. You have to make note that in your on the MAR sheet. And also proper handling and medication safety. In disposing medications, you have to be carefully and dispose it properly, and you have to also consider the storage of the medication, or store medication properly as required. For example, the medication, if it's need to be refrigerated or protect in a lighting, you have to consider that.